Hello students, welcome to Sacred Heart High School. Today we are going to study in Science-1, Chapter 11, Reflection of Light, Part 1. Can you tell what is a mirror? We need polished surfaces for reflecting light. This is because polished surfaces absorb less light and so maximum light gets reflected. In scientific language, a surface which reflects light and creates clear images is called a mirror. So, a mirror is a reflecting surface. The German scientist named Justus von Liebig coated the plane surface of a piece of ordinary glass with silver metal and made the first mirror. Such a mirror is called a silver glass mirror. We use various types of mirrors in our daily life. So, we can say that mirrors are of two types, plane mirrors and spherical mirrors. Plane mirrors are used in various activities in our day-to-day life. A mirror is made by coating the back surface of a flat and smooth glass piece with a thin reflecting film of aluminum or silver. To protect this reflecting film and to make that side opaque, another coat of a substance like lead oxide is given over it. So in this part we are going to study about plane mirror. We see a clear image of ourselves when we stand in front of a mirror in our house. Now in this figure, you can see the light rays falling perpendicularly on the mirror are reflected back in the perpendicular direction. So it is called as laws of reflection of light. So you can see the light falling on the mirror, which makes an angle of incidence to the normal, and the light rays which gets reflected back from the mirror makes an angle of reflection to the normal. So this is called as angle, the laws of reflection of light. To understand how an image is formed in a mirror, let us consider first an image formed by a point source. Light rays travel in all directions from such a source. Several of these rays fall on the mirror, get reflected and reach our eyes. Due to reflection, they appear to be coming from a point behind the mirror, and that point is the image of the point source. Now, as you can see in the figure. So, we can say that the reflector rays do not actually meet. Hence, such an image is called a virtual image. The perpendicular distance of the image from the mirror is equal to the perpendicular distance of the source from the mirror. Next, if we use an extended source instead of a point source, an image is formed of every point of the source, thereby forming an extended image of the whole source. Now, as you can see in the figure, an extended source PQ is kept in front of the mirror M1, M2. The images of P and Q are formed at P1, Q1 respectively. Similarly, images of all points between P and Q are formed between P1 and Q1, resulting in the images P1, Q1 of the entire extended source. The images formed by a plane mirror is of the same size of the source, as you can see in the figure. Now children, You must have seen when we hold a page of a book in front of the mirror, you see that the image of the words appear laterally inverted. The image of every point of the word is formed behind the mirror at the same distance from the mirror. Because of this, the left and right side of the images interchange. Hence, if we hold a page of book in front of the mirror, we see laterally inverted letters in the mirror, and this is called as lateral inversion. Similarly, you can see a person who is standing in the front of mirror. So the image of the person is formed from every point of the source, thereby forming an extended image of the whole source, and the image formed would be virtual upright and left right reversed. Now it can be proved that to see the full image of a person standing in front of a mirror, the minimum height of the mirror must be half the height of the person. So children, hope you have understood. Thank you.